For many of us, our daily work routine requires us to spend a lot of time in the most popular word processor around, Microsoft Word. Whether you love Word or hate it, you can save yourself a lot of time if you learn how to use some of Word's most powerful features. In this video, we'll give you 3 tips for making better use of Microsoft Word and 1 tip that might not save you time, but is kind of fun anyway. Let's get started. First, get comfortable with the Track Changes feature. Lawyers, publishers, and other word processing pros use track changes. That's because there's no better way to edit or proofread a document for a coworker or client. With track changes enabled, all of your edits are clearly marked for the original author to review and accept or reject. You can also add margin comments to suggest tweaks, add questions, or offer words of encouragement. Warning: make sure to accept all changes and save your document before submitting it to a client or prospect. You don't want them to see all the edits that were made to the document. To find out how to enable track changes in your version of Word, search for Track Changes under Help. Number 2, use Find and Replace for efficient editing and formatting. Now we're getting to the good stuff. Let's say you're editing a long document for a colleague who has this annoying habit of calling your coworker Tom John. Now you could either comb through the entire document and replace each word by hand, going cross-eyed in the process, or use the Find and Replace function to instantly remove all misspellings. Similarly, if you need to format a document's typography to match your business's branding, you can use the Find and Replace function to, let's say, find all instances of Times New Roman font and replace them with Helvetica font, or whatever typeface your company uses. You can find the Find and Replace function under the Edit menu in Word. Next tip, customize your toolbars to suit your daily needs and routines. If you spend any significant amount of time in Microsoft Word, you should create a workspace that reflects the nature of your work. That could mean getting rid of unnecessary toolbar clutter. It could also mean adding or repositioning certain buttons and functions that you use regularly. To learn how to customize your toolbars, search for Customize Toolbars in the Help section of Word. Now finally, here's a totally unnecessary trick that will impress your friends. Use this cheat to create placeholder text, where X is the number of paragraphs and Y is the number of sentences. Add your value and hit enter. Boom! You are officially a Microsoft Word nerd. Learning to use your technology more efficiently is just another step in making your technology work better for you. If you're looking for a company that can help you build, structure, and scale your company's technology, we can help. Contact us today to learn more.